Hi students, today we are going to talk about the topic that is pronouns. In this lecture we will be discussing demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and interrogative pronoun. So let's start the lecture with demonstrative pronouns. Here is the definition. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. They are only four in number, that is like this, that, these and those. These four are only demonstrative pronouns. This and that are singular demonstrative pronouns, whereas these and those are plural demonstrative pronouns. They can also be used to show an unspecified quantity in a sentence. So look here, this and these are used for those things which are near, and that and those are used for those things which are far from us. Okay, but the difference is of just that singular and plural. Look at the example here. That is a beautiful house. Now there's explanation. It says that the word that is a demonstrative pronoun that is referring to a specific noun or a house. This is a singular noun as it is referring to only one house, and that is used because it is away or far from the person who is just indicating that thing, because demonstrative pronouns are also used to indicate anything. So in this way we can use demonstrative pronouns. Next we have reflexive pronouns. You can see here the first list. These are subject pronoun, and the second list, this one, they are reflexive pronouns. Okay, if I say reflexive pronoun of I is myself, reflexive pronoun of you is yourself. If you talk about plural, so it can be yourselves. Reflexive pronoun of he is himself. In this way, herself, itself, ourselves and themselves. These all are reflexive pronouns. Here we have the usage. Number one is, we can say that reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same. The example, we can say the cat licked itself. In this way, the word itself is the example of reflexive pronoun. Second, we have reflexive pronouns are used as the object of a preposition when the subject and the object are same. It can be, I sometimes talk to myself. Now this is the object. Myself is the object of this word to, and to is the preposition. This way we can use reflexive pronouns. Here we have more examples. Number one is, I sometimes talk to myself. This is reflexive pronoun. Do you ever ask yourself this question? Again, this is also reflexive pronoun. In this way, in all the sentences, these words which end on self or selves, these all are reflexive pronoun. When the subject and the object are same, then they are used. Next we have interrogative pronouns. Very simple is that the interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions, and they are mainly five in number: who, whom, whose, what and which. Who is used for only for the people, and it can be used as a subject of a verb. For suppose we can say, who loves pies, who won yesterday. Now in these sentences the word who is used for the persons, like for people, and it does the work of subject in this sentence or in these sentences. Secondly, whom is always used for the people as well. It is used as the object of a verb or a preposition. It means it is used after the verb. Like the example is, you saw whom, you went with whom. Or we can also say, for suppose if I ask you that, whom are you talking to? I can say, I am talking to my brother. With whom are you going outside? I can say, I am going outside with my friend. In this way we can use the word whom for people. Third is whose. This is also used for the people and especially for the position or the relation between the things. We can say, whose is this? Or we can also use whose plus noun, like whose laptop is this, whose phone is this, whose mobile is this. In this way we can use the word whose to ask the questions with the help of whose plus noun as well. Fourth, we have the word what. This is always used for impersons, or we can say this is used for the things. Okay, what, the word what is never used for persons, remember this. Okay, and the example we can say like what is that, what do you mean, what are you doing, what do you say. In this way we can use the word what to ask the questions, but remember this is always for impersons. Impersons means except persons. Last, we have the word which is also used for the people as well. And when we have the variety, when we have the choice, then we can use the word which. Like if it's for suppose we have the word first sentence, that is which is smarter. It means we have more than one thing or the person, and for that person we are asking that which is smarter, or which is faster, which is heavier. So when we have the choice, when we have options, then we can use the word which even for the persons as well, and we can also use it for impersons as well. We can also use, you can see here it is, look, no nouns is used over there, but we can use which plus noun. Like which phone is yours? We have many phones, and I'm asking from someone that which phone is yours, which laptop is yours, which book is yours. In this way we can use different kind of interrogative pronouns to ask questions. So dear students, this was all about demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Hope you understood it. Thank you for listening.